Hello, it's me again, Nathan. I did a video yesterday, so it's the morning still. I think, yeah, it's the morning. And I was just showing, and I have some more succulents. And if you want to see, I'll show you. I'm going to be repotting them, and then I'm going to water some of the carnivorous plants and succulents. So if I could just do this, 1 second. Okay, it's a little dirty. I just got them out. Okay, they didn't really grow their roots that well. It's a cacti. This is a succulent still. It might be a cactus also. But yeah, pretty cool. Sort of like the tall one, but it's actually smaller. Whoa, it's this big? Well, it was tucked down under a little bit, but yeah, okay. So I have the pot right here. The dirt's already inside. Excuse me. So first, what you do is, well, you can drill a hole. You might drill a hole like with a pencil. You can do it with your finger, your pinky finger. But first I'll do, I'm not sure, probably the cactus. I'll just do it with my finger, but okay. Okay. So I'll put it right in there. Cover it up a little. And sometimes it might be a little like, ooh, oh, the sun. It's a little like, it just suddenly outside. Okay. Pretty good. Sometimes it might be a little wobbly and stuff like that. But I'll put rocks by it to make it stand up a little bit better. Okay, now this cactus. Not sure I'm going to fit this really, but I'll see. So, and then I'll water it quickly. So first, drill it with the hole. I mean, yeah, I recommend with your finger. That's one strategy, but now this one has roots a little bit more, so I'll just put that in. Just like drill it in a little bit better. And yeah, these are different succulents, and yeah, it's pretty easy. Maybe just put, well, fancy some rocks. Also, just because, like, to keep it up. There we go. So that's basically it. But I'm gonna water it, and it's still good to do distilled water. I'm not really so good with this sprayer. Is not so good, so I'm gonna just unscrew this, and I'm gonna just dump it a little bit, very lightly. Because succulents, you don't have to water them a lot. Yes. Quickly, because the water is going to drain down. Get this. Put this inside. So I'll drain inside there. Pretty good for now. And yeah, now I'll water the cacti that I also had from yesterday. Just a little bit like, pretty good. Just rinsing. That might have been a little bit too much. Oh well, it's gonna dry out, so. Okay. Now, that's pretty much it. You just put it by your windowsill. This is not by my windows. You know, just put it up here. My windowsill. Okay. Now, oh, I totally forgot. I should put my light on. Right Wait 1 second. Right over here. Okay. So, just again to show you, these are some of my carnivorous plants. I'm going to water some of the ones. So, pretty good. I didn't do this one today, but I did do this one. And then you see it's draining down to the bottom. Pretty good. And yeah. Okay, pretty good. I'll just place it over here, so not kind of by my windowsill. Now I'll water this cacti, and there's no hole. There's no holes in the bottom, so you just water it regular. So yeah, I'll just get my water right here. I'll just let it stay over here. Just quickly put it down by the side. Just a little bit. Let that digest a little bit, or like just sog into the soil. Just put a little bit more in. Pretty easy. It's going into it, and yeah. Not so hard. So I repotted a cacti, and it's pretty beautiful. Yeah. Now, next to water is originally my sister's. I said this in another video. Maybe I should cut this. I'm not sure. I'll cut a little bit, but yeah. First, I'm gonna get a haircut, okay? Sometimes it bothers me a little. What? I'm gonna use my left hand. You know what? Okay, I'll try to do this. You know what? I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna do it in another video. But yeah, okay. And this is my terrarium. The lights are on. So yeah, pretty cool. So okay, right now I am going to do is yeah, just water it. Do the same technique that I did from by the side. Depends what you do. See that just dissolve away. Okay, pretty good. Let that dissolve. Go into the soil. Okay. Now, this is the succulents that I showed. Not too bright. Maybe like this. And yeah, I'm just gonna water them. Like 2 weeks ago, I watered them. Like 2 weeks, 1 week. It's pretty good to do 2 weeks. But I'll just first water this one right there. Oops. Okay, that might have been a little too much. Flip the side. And these little ones, little cacti. Pretty good. Oh shoot. Okay. Let's move that right there. I'll just set off. Not the best, but okay. That one. Okay. Next, I'm gonna do is my carnivorous plants, and I feed them the bloodworms, but yeah, I actually found that out from actually a YouTube video, so yeah. Okay, this is the butterwort. Doing pretty good. I left a hole so it gets soggy, And soon, if you have a cup like this, like I cut it out, it'll get soggy, and there's this hole, and it'll not be so like, yeah, and there's gonna be bubbles on the side and stuff like that. So it's good. It's good. I'll just quickly, and also because if a flower shoots up, I'm gonna try it to get the angle in, so it'll go up. So I'm gonna try to. I can do the sides, but I'll just go into the middle. And then, oh shoot. Okay, there's water on top of here. Can I like tilt it into the... Okay. Pretty good. See that? It's probably gonna go down. No, okay. Whatever. Okay, oh, this is pretty crowded. Wow, with plants. Now, the only one I have to do left is the Venus flytrap. The traps are alright. Not so good. Not like the best. Ooh, but this one's pretty good. See a line right over there. See that line? It's probably gonna open up. So with this one, a trap, but yeah, we discussed this since the video, so the other video, so I'll just quickly, sometimes by the side is good. Get a little wet. So yeah, the traps are not so good, but it's an extra, so yeah. It's making it a little bit soggier. By the sides, just like putting the dirt. And I should put peat moss around the sides, but this is my extra. And in my terrarium, if you can see, one second, I'm gonna turn off the grow lights. So like, look at the Venus flytrap right now. Okay, because it looks better when there's no grow lights. See that beetle? Yeah, it's opening up a little bit more, but yeah. There's all that peat moss. See that? Yeah. This sun is curling up a lot. Right over there. You probably can't see, but it's fine. Yes. So, getting back to this. Okay. Let me first turn the grow lights on. And okay. Okay, they're on. So now I'm going to, yeah, okay. Let's get that a little bit soggy. See down there, it's very dirty. And if the dirt comes out, you see from the holes, that is totally fine. Because you can probably just level it up. And that's the bottom, so it's not really. The only problem is if the roots are growing. But yeah, and then if it, okay. But that doesn't matter. So basically everything, but yeah, I have to refill my thing because remember about the distilled water. So getting back. Okay. So, I recommend, being very careful when you also repot them, because you can see that it's not so easy to do this, and then again, I might probably put some dirt around the sides, but, okay, pretty sharp over here. So, yeah, okay. I'll see you in the next video, and yeah. Bye!